How's it going, everyone? My name is Alex, and I'm just looking over at the current situation when it came to the R5C being delayed. The last time that I was able to read it was on Canon Rumors, and they were just expecting delays because of some sort of thing going on. After doing a little bit more research under Canon Australia's website, I was able to find out as to what the actual issue did pertain to. So I have a letter here. I'm gonna go ahead and start reading it off. So basically, this letter states that customers who recently purchased the R5C digital cinema camera, saying that for the inconvenience and concerns this may cause the customers using this product, we will continue to ensure through quality control so that customers can use this product with peace of mind. However, here's the one thing. It's basically, this is the issue that plagued that delay on Canon Australia. We don't know nothing about Canon USA or Canon Europe or Asia for that matter. So the issue was that this was due to a manufacturing defect in the autofocus. The camera may repeatedly go in and out of focus in movie mode. So that was the issue of those delays, but then it goes on, right? It keeps continuing. So products, selected units of the R5C digital cinema camera. So not all units, but selected units are suffering from this autofocus issue. Now, I'm sure this is from either production models that are ready to ship out, that they were able to catch the issue. I'm not sure. They're saying here, it goes on to say our actions here. We are aware of a very small number of units that have been delivered to customers prior to the issue being identified. So I'm glad that they at least identified the issue. That was the issue that was plaguing the R5C for those delays. At least now we dug a little bit deeper and we actually found out a letter from Canon. Now this letter was on the 18th of March, so it wasn't that long ago because today is the 22nd. But here we go. Right, I'm like, I ordered the camera too. Hopefully I'm one of those first batches there to go out. Again, I will definitely be testing the autofocus out. But that's what happens, guys, when you come in and you order a product. You know, first come first serve products. We become the tests, right? We're the guinea pigs here testing these out. But here's the one thing is that these kind of autofocus, even if they weren't having any issues, I'm thinking that's something that maybe a firmware update could handle. Definitely on the R6 has some firmwares, as you know, and so many updates in regards to autofocus on the subject movements and so forth. So we'll just have to see when we do have a unit here in our hands. And if you want to see those tests, make sure you like this video, you subscribe to our channel, and yeah, that's basically it. That's all I have for today, but I hope this gave you a light of the situation if you were thinking about like, why did it get delayed, what was the reason behind it. And so here it shows that it was due to autofocus issues, so but not all units, also they say. So again, my name is Alex. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Take care.